Hello, I'm in a 2010 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you to check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and while the motor's off, find our dipstick here, which we'll pull all the way out. Then I'd wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then stick it all the way back in. Then pull this all the way back out. And from here, see these two dots, the dot on the left is your full, the dot on the right is your low. So you want it on or very close to that dot on the left. And let's say you're close to the dot on the right, you want to add some. So we'll stick this back in. And then while the vehicle's still off, here's the cap we're going to unscrew to add your oil. Make sure you're using the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But we'll just unscrew this cap. And then with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. Let's screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And at this point, I would start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate that new oil. Turn it off, and then repeat the process we did in the beginning with this dipstick to see if we're on that full mark now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which depending on motor mileage, type of motor, type of oil, things like that, usually ranges between 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so between oil changes. And you do those, you typically put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get underneath to the oil pan. You pull the old oil plug out so you can drain the oil, replace any oil filters as needed, screw that plug back in nice and tight, and then back up top here we'll unscrew this cap, and then you add all the oil recommended for an oil change for your particular motor type. Then you'd screw this back on nice and tight, start the motor again for like 5 seconds or so to circulate that new oil, turn it off, and then once again check this dipstick to see if we're on that full. But I hope all this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.